Greater protections are needed to stop robots stealing your job, according to a renowned organization of international lawyers. Legal experts are concerned that the pace of developments in artificial intelligence are outstripping the ability of global governments to make laws to deal with the consequences, and they are worried that this is leading to a gap between current legislation and new laws, including human job quotas that they feel are necessary to protect people from being replaced by machines. The claims come in a new report from the International Bar Association, which focuses on the impact of the onward march of technology. This rapid progress has led to a fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, which the IBA says threatens to make up to a third of graduate jobs around the world obsolete. Alongside manufacturing, high-routine occupations like accountants and court clerks are also at risk. The 120-page document explores some of the potential changes brought about by AI in the future and the likely impact such systems will have on the workplace. Among a wide range of recommendations, the report suggests world governments could introduce mandatory minimum numbers of people, or human quotas, to be employed in a given sector. It also envisages labeling to indicate that products are made by humans to give consumers the choice to support man-made industries, as well as taxation for companies which make use of AI in their businesses. Stricter controls may also be needed to prevent accidents, injuries, and even deaths caused by AI in the workplace. And we may need to give greater thought to the type of jobs we wouldn't robots to do, including looking after babies and small children. Caroline Wiskirchen of the IBA and coordinator of the report said, "Certainly, technological revolution is not new, but in past times it has been gradual. What is new about the present revolution is the alacrity with which change is occurring, and the broadness of impact being brought about by AI and robotics. The AI phenomenon is on an exponential curve, while legislation is doing its best on an incremental basis. New labor and employment legislation is urgently needed to keep pace with increased automation." This is not the first time that the threat posed by AI to jobs has been raised in recent headlines. A report issued in March found that 38% of U.S. jobs will be replaced by robots and artificial intelligence by the early 2030s. The analysis by accountancy giant PwC also revealed that financial service jobs that are at most risk of a robot takeover, 61%, could be replaced by machines. It also found that 30% of UK jobs, 35% in Germany and 21% in Japan were at risk. PwC found that the US and UK share similarities in what the future holds, but different sectors will fall victim to machine workers. PwC said financial and insurance workers in the US focus mostly on the domestic retail market and have a lower education level than London specialists. Most workers in the UK that are at high risk are in transportation and storage, retail, manufacturing, and administrative and support services. The experts found the report said up to 10.4 million jobs, 30% of those in the UK, are very likely to be automated by the early 2030s.